The ethics of artificial intelligence in transportation. Are self-driving cars truly the future, or are we blindly accelerating towards a moral traffic jam? Let's unpack the complex ethical dilemmas at the heart of AI-driven transportation. Autonomous vehicles are essentially mobile trolley problems. They must make split-second decisions in unavoidable accident scenarios. Who should the car prioritize? The passenger, pedestrians, or other drivers? Algorithms are being written to make these life or death choices. But who decides the ethical framework these algorithms are based on? And how do we ensure fairness and transparency in these decisions? These are not just theoretical questions. They are real-world challenges that demand careful consideration and public debate. The stakes are incredibly high. AI systems learn from data. If that data reflects existing societal biases, the AI will perpetuate and even amplify them. This is a major concern in transportation. For example, if pedestrian detection systems are trained primarily on data featuring adults, they may be less effective at recognizing children. This could disproportionately endanger vulnerable populations. We must actively work to mitigate bias in AI training data and algorithms. Failure to do so could lead to discriminatory outcomes and exacerbate existing inequalities. Autonomous vehicles generate vast amounts of data about our movements and habits. This data is incredibly valuable, but also incredibly sensitive. Who has access to this data? How is it being used? And what safeguards are in place to protect our privacy? These are critical questions that need answers. Furthermore, the security of autonomous vehicle systems is paramount. A hacked, self-driving car could be a weapon. Robust cybersecurity measures are essential. The widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles could have a significant impact on the job market. Millions of professional drivers could face unemployment. What will happen to truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery drivers? We need to consider the social and economic consequences of this technological shift. Retraining programs and social safety nets will be crucial to help workers transition to new roles. We must ensure that the benefits of AI are shared broadly. When an autonomous vehicle causes an accident, who is responsible? Is it the manufacturer, the software developer, or the owner of the vehicle? Current legal frameworks are not well equipped to handle these situations. We need clear guidelines for assigning liability in the age of AI. Establishing clear lines of accountability is essential for building public trust in autonomous vehicle technology. Without it, widespread adoption will be difficult. The ethical challenges of AI in transportation are complex and multifaceted. They require a collaborative effort involving researchers, policymakers, engineers, and the public. We need open and honest conversations about the values we want to embed in these technologies. We must prioritize safety, fairness, and transparency. The future of transportation is being shaped now. Let's ensure that it is a future we can all be proud of. Now that you're informed, it's time to act. Research the ethical guidelines being proposed for AI in transportation. Contact your local policymakers and voice your concerns. Support organizations working to promote responsible AI development. Share this video to raise awareness and spark further discussion. Together, we can shape a future where AI in transportation benefits everyone,